All right, let's talk about something that sounds super simple, but, really isn't. Think about one of the most basic HR tasks out there, especially in a place like manufacturing, getting all your employees to sign off on a new policy. It seems straightforward, right? But the hidden costs, the sheer amount of time and effort, it's just staggering.
So, does this question make you kind of sigh? If you just let out a little groan reading that, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. It doesn't matter if it's new safety rules or updated labor policies, the old school way of doing this is a massive drain on everyone's productivity.
And it really is a paper chase, isn't it? It's a total grind. First, you're trying to collect all those physical signed forms. Then, you have to manually punch in every single confirmation into some spreadsheet or HR system. And then comes everyone's favorite part, hunting down the stragglers, the people who just haven't gotten around to it. It's this endless, tedious cycle.
But here's the thing, it's so much more than just an annoyance. This whole manual approach is just begging for errors. One misplaced form, a simple typo in a spreadsheet, and suddenly you've got a serious non-compliance problem on your hands when the auditors show up. And really, the big takeaway is this: sticking with the old way, the paper way, it's not just inefficient anymore. It is simply not sustainable in today's world. The risks are just way too high.
So, what's the alternative? Well, it's moving to an automated workflow. The process we're looking at here is based on a tool called ZAPTEST, and it's built to take this entire messy task and just handle it from start to finish. And the power here is in how it directly replaces every single one of those manual steps. This kind of automation can learn your specific process, use AI to talk to your existing HR systems. It can automatically pull confirmations from emails to update your logs, send out those reminders so you don't have to, and maybe best of all, generate perfect audit-ready reports whenever you need them.
Okay, so that all sounds great in theory, but what does this actually look like in the real world? Well, the impact is, well, it's a total transformation.
Just look at this number, 90%.
That's what we're talking about. A 90% drop in the hours your team wastes just tracking these things down. Think about all that time spent chasing paper, updating spreadsheets. Poof, almost all of it just gone.
I mean, the contrast here is just night and day. You go from a manual process to a completely automated one. You go from a system riddled with potential errors to one that's error-free. And, most importantly, you go from being at risk to being audit-ready, 24/7.
And the perks go way beyond just saving time. You're talking about having flawless records you can actually trust. You get total peace of mind come audit season. And believe it or not, it's a way better experience for your employees too. No more dealing with annoying paper forms.
So when you boil it all down, automation lets you take what was once a huge liability, this risky, time-sucking administrative nightmare, and turn it into a real, genuine, strategic advantage for your company. Which really just leaves one final thought. Take a hard look at how you're doing things right now. Is your compliance process holding you back, or is it helping you move forward?